In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Razorpay in WooCommerce on your WordPress website. We'll go through the full setup process from start to finish in a simple and practical way so you can begin accepting payments smoothly and confidently. If you're setting this up for the first time, don't worry. Just follow along carefully and make sure you have access to both your Razorpay account and your WordPress admin dashboard before you begin. First, create your Razorpay account if you haven't done that already, or sign in if your account is ready. This is where you'll manage your payment settings and access the credentials needed to connect Razorpay to your online store. Once you're logged in there, keep that tab available because you'll come back to it shortly. Next, open your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll install and manage the plugin that connects WooCommerce with Razorpay. From inside WordPress, install the Razorpay WooCommerce payment plugin. Make sure you choose the official plugin that is designed for WooCommerce compatibility, since using the correct integration helps avoid setup issues later. After the plugin is installed, go ahead and activate it. Activation is what makes the payment method available inside your WooCommerce settings. Once that's done, navigate to WooCommerce, then Settings, and open the Payments section. This area lists all the payment gateways available for your store. Find Razorpay in the list and enable it. After enabling it, go back to your Razorpay account and copy your key ID and key secret. These credentials allow your WooCommerce store to securely communicate with Razorpay. Be careful while copying and pasting them, and avoid sharing these details publicly or storing them in insecure places. Now return to WooCommerce and paste those credentials into the appropriate fields for the Razorpay settings. After that, enable the payment methods you want to offer, such as UPI, QR code, cards, and any other supported options that fit your business needs. This gives your customers more flexibility during checkout and can improve conversion. Before accepting real payments, start with test mode. This is an important part of the setup because it lets you verify that everything is working correctly without processing actual money. Save your settings and complete a test transaction on your store. Check that the checkout flow works properly and that the payment is recorded as expected. Once your test transaction is successful and you're confident the setup is working correctly, switch from test credentials to your live credentials. That final step makes your store ready to accept real customer payments through Razorpay, and that's it. Your WooCommerce store is now set up to use Razorpay.